Welcome to the Magic Bringers Rising episode for the week of July 22nd, 2024. I am your host, Lindsay Baldessano from Super Secret Powers. And this week, we're unraveling the cosmic drama of the show stopping full moon in Leo. Uranus is shaking things up like a bull in a china shop, and Pluto is stirring the pot in Aquarius. So, buckle up. It's going to be a wild astrological ride. Onto the show.
Welcome to Magic Bringers Rising Chats, a show by Super Secret Powers. I'm your host, Lindsay Baldessano, and let's get ready for a dose of energy healing, channeled guidance, and humor to keep your intuitive flow open and your roots grounded so you can leave the life of healing, spiritual purpose, and magic that you want.
So, before we dive into this week's cosmic forecast, I've got a special invitation for all you intuitive and empathic souls out there. But it is a fast action kind of thing. So, if you ever felt overwhelmed by your empathy, or if you're just curious about harnessing your empathic powers, listen up. Our Crown and Empath Experience is just around the corner and the doors are closing this Monday night. So, this is your chance to join a transformative journey free of charge. We're talking 5 days of immersive exploration into the depths of your empathy and your empathic skills, all from the comfort of your own sacred space. And here's the cherry on top. When you sign up, you'll also receive an exclusive video on setting healthy boundaries for empaths. Absolutely free. It's your time to turn your sensitivity into your superpower and step into your own as the queen of your life. Look for the link in the show notes below or in the comments or wherever and sign up before Monday night. So, on to the show. Happy full moon week, everyone. But we are kicking off this week with the moon cozying up in Cancer. And it's like the universe is giving us permission to wear our pajamas all day and indulge in some emotional TLC. Give it like cosmic me day, right? Perfect for introspection or maybe just a little binge watching your favorite series while pondering the meaning of life. Tuesday rolls in with Venus strutting into Capricorn. So that's like the universe is your strict but stylish aunt who insists on you getting your life together, wash your face kind of advice. But also makes you want to look good, right? So it's time to blend ambition with a little charm, set some goals, make some plans, and yes, preparing for success, maybe even dressing for success is the thing this week. So, but Tuesday is like the last really practical day of the week. Midweek, Wednesday, the moon is trine Neptune and sextile Uranus. So your dreams may get a little wild. Like your subconscious is hosting some kind of costume party. So embrace the activity and keep an eye out for those unexpected aha moments. It's like your intuition is playing 4D chess with the universe. So expect those shifts, expect some weird time blips, expect not to feel fully grounded, but then also expect to have to ground in order to get any kind of practical work done this week. But do write down your revelations. So now let's talk about Thursday's showstopper. This isn't just any full moon, it is a cosmic spotlight on your life's stage. What makes your heart sing? What is your soul's performance? What is going to get you into main character energy? And remember, a touch of Leo drama is fine. Just don't turn into a diva. Balance is the key. It's about really inspiring, nurturing leadership than it is being about your all ambitious influencer styled kind of life, right? No, balance that shit with real life. So Friday's a bit of a rest day. It's a day to process the week because it has had so much energy so far, and there's still more coming.
Uh-oh.
So take Friday off. Take Friday to have a little bit more me time, or at least some non-busy time, right, with friends. Maybe that's your chill day. Reflect, journal, do some interpretive dancing, whatever helps you digest that cosmic buffet of energy that you've just been served this week. Because on Saturday, we have yet another big energy. We have Uranus direct in Taurus, Sun square Jupiter, Mercury conjunct Mars. Ugh. On top of a lot of other moon traveling. That's just the highlights, right? I'm only given like highlights. I'm not given every single transit. So, with Uranus going direct in Taurus, expect a shakeup from your finances to your comfort food choices. It's like Cosmic Renovation Crew has come to town and they are filming the next DIY episode with you. And the Sun square Jupiter and Mercury conjunct Mars makes it a day for bold action and bolder words. Just look before you leap, look before you speak, and at least looking to where you're leaping. Because Uranus can pack some surprises, right? It can pack some of those lightning moments in. Um, so be bold with your words and bold with your actions, but we also want to be safe, right? We don't want to go too far. We want to make sure that we're focused on the things we actually want to change and working toward that change so we don't end up with some crazy kind of Uranus weirdness. Wrapping up this week, Sunday is a day of harmony with Mercury trine Uranus and Venus trine Jupiter and sextile Saturn. So it's like the universe is hosting a big get along party. It's going to be great for socializing, great for networking, and maybe just making peace with your inner critic. Just embrace the good vibes, go with the flow, and speak what you want into being because that is really like the theme of this year is that manifesting what is coming through, what has just come through that you now have to speak into being and build into being. Because let's not forget, we're still riding the waves of Pluto's recent shift in Aquarius. It's like the universe is handing out tickets to a revolution, and we're all invited. This on top of that little bit of Leo
Yeah.
courage and drama from the full moon and Uranus going direct this week. It could mean a lot of big things, a lot of big shifts, some surprises for home health and wealth. So, whether it's an intense itch to do some spring cleaning that leads to a renovation or an overhaul of your business systems, leave a lot of space this weekend to dig into the first plans for what needs some shaking up in your home health and wealth. And we want to be proactive about this because we're only about a month until uh, our next shadow pre eclipse. So if you don't start working with these huge energies now that are being offered as preparation for those eclipse energies, you're going to feel a little behind the eight ball when eclipse season and those energies do start coming into your life. So let me be direct. This is the sign. These are the energies you've been waiting for. Embrace the change, innovation, and maybe that little bit of rebellion. The good kind, of course. So there you have it, stargazers, a week packed with cosmic opportunities and celestial challenges. But remember that astrology isn't just what happens to us, it's about how we learn to dance with the energies around us, the energies that are being presented for us. So stay magical, embrace the changes, and let your light shine as bright as a supernova. And thanks for tuning in to Magic Bringers Rising. Remember, every week is a new chapter in your cosmic journey, filled with mystery, both grand and amusing. So join me next time as we continue to explore the stars and maybe even unravel the age old mystery of why we always seem to choose the slowest checkout lane at the grocery store. That would be something. Until then, keep your eyes on the cosmos, your spirit ready for adventure, and your heart open to the rhythm of the universe. So, this is Lindsay signing off. So, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And you can find me, of course, in the Crown and Empath event. Don't forget to sign up. And in the Living with Intuition coffee chats with my friend Andrea on Wednesdays. All right. Stay magical.
Magic!